Hi there, this is Ren Doble from Doble's Dolls Incorporated, and here's a few of my employees. This is Hillary, Jessica, and Carmen. Today we want to do a live video, and demonstrate how to make hats and scarves for your dolls. Now, you probably saw on the internet on how to make these hats for Barbies. They're really easy to make. You just basically cut out a tube of toilet paper, or a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, and wrap some yarn around it. The only problem is, what if you want to make a hat for your Monster High or your Bratz doll? These hats here don't fit them. These hats are quite tiny on them, actually. Well, if you want to wear them like that, then maybe. So, what I plan on doing today, here you go, Jessica, you can have your hat back. There you go. What I plan on doing today is I'm going to show you how to make hats to fit your Monster High or your Bratz doll. So here, gotta make sure my camera. What I did is I got a hair tie, a stretchy hair tie, so that way it can stretch and fit on their head. And I did basically the same way that you would make a hat for a Barbie. Hold on a minute, I will get yarn for this and show you how to finish it off. Okay. So you notice what I did is already I've got yarn tied around this. And if you remember how to do it. Hi, Chrisabella. I shall wave at you. Hello. We are making hats for Monster High and for Bratz dolls. And basically it's the same way as you would a Barbie doll, except we are using a hair tie. So I need to cut off some yarn. Hi, Barbie Life 233. Here, I'll wave at you. Oh, yes, it's been a while. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the piece of yarn that I just cut and make a loop like that. And then with your loose yarn on the bottom, we are going to put it through that loop like so. Here, let me put it back here so it doesn't look so blurry. And pull it down. And scooch it like so. And then we will continue doing that. Here, I'll do another one. I'm going to tie or cut off some yarn. Okay, we're going to do another loop again around the hair tie. Take our loose yarn down here, put it through, put it through and tighten it like so. And I think I have enough yarn now to make this a hat. So what we'll do is we'll take some yarn, cut off some yarn, tie it around this right here, Whoops. Okay, I kind of got some that wanna, there we go. We'll kind of tie it, and tie it again, just to secure it. And let's cut these off. And then this right here, let's kind of trim that so it can be a shorter pom-pom, like a pom-pom type. I have really horrible scissors. Somebody took off with my good scissors. There we go. We have a hat. There's the hat on the Monster High. And, okay. Barbie Life 233, that sucks. My hat sucks? Is that what you're saying? Well, here, I have a better version of it right here. Kind of hard to do stuff when you're trying to control the camera. So yep, here's a version of the hat, another hat that I made that I will put on the Bratz doll. Yeah, you're right, Barbie Life. Oh, that someone took my scissors. Okay, I thought you meant my hat sucks. And yeah, you know, it is kind of a sloppy job there. But here's this hat that I made earlier. And now I will demonstrate how to make a scarf like this, which is really easy. Okay, so I started already on a scarf, real easy. I took like 6 strands of yarn, that's that chunky yarn that you can make blankets out of, and I tied at the end here and I braided it. You know, I took 2 pieces like this and 2 pieces like this and like this and just braided it like so. Like that. Alright, so you have to secure it at both ends here, like so. And then kind of trim it down. And use my not so good scissors this time. Those are good to like cut thread with. And then we're going to trim it down here too. Alright, so we have ourselves a braided scarf for the doll. So there's the braided chunky scarf that Hillary is wearing, and Jessica is wearing your typical Barbie hat that you see all over the internet, plus she has a chunky scarf on, and I will kind of show you how to make that. And then she too has a braided scarf and a hat. Hi Bratz for Lips Original. I shall wave at you. Okay, so what I'm doing, in case you have just joined, is I'm demonstrating how to make hats and scarves for your dolls. Not so much the hat for the Barbie, but hats for Monster High and Bratz. The big-headed dolls, yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is there's another hat. We're going to take this hat off of Jessica. Whoops, here's a mess. I want to demonstrate how to make a hat like this, which usually fits your Barbie dolls. We're going to use one of these headbands. You guys might be familiar with these kind of headbands. I think lots of people made them for babies, for baby girls. And if you see any of my videos on YouTube, I have a video called how to make summer tops and bags from headbands, and I use these kind of headbands. So this is how I made a hat too. I also made a hat last summer when I made that video. I just didn't show it. I'm not going to show it until now. Is I turned the headband inside out, and then I'm not really going to sew it here, but I will show that. Okay, so I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it, and then what we would do is like sew right here and along this side right here. And this is the end result after you're done making a hat out of a headband. Isn't that cute? Alright, now, so what I did is I tied a loop around the crochet needle. So we're going to take this, maybe, okay, and try to go through this loop. What this is a single crochet chain. So I took that yarn and I put it through that first loop, and then we're going to do it again through this loop. Basically what you keep doing is you take yarn and you keep going through the loop and going through the loop. Let's do it again. Maybe a couple more times. Okay, see that loop? That loop that's around the crochet hook? And see this piece of yarn? We're going to kind of hook under like that and then go into that loop. There we go, we have another loop. Okay, and so that looks kind of like one of those braided scarves that I showed earlier in my video. And so basically this scarf right here that Jessica's wearing, which I used a chunky yarn, like one of them crazy chunky yarns, that's what I used for that. This is how you make the, I will demonstrate, well not demonstrate, but I'll tell you again how I made these hats for Monster High and Bratz. Is basically I used a hair tie and did the same way as you would make one of these hats right here, which I demonstrated earlier in the video. So I used, instead of using toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll like you would with a Barbie hat, use a stretchable hair tie. And then the scarves, which is probably easier just to take some yarn together and braid it together. That's what I did for those scarves, except for Jessica's, I did the crochet thing. So, anyhow, and then I told you how to make the hat. Just take a headband and flip it over for the bad side and sew bottom side of, oh no, it's this one, isn't it? Yeah. So like this side and the bottom side, flip it over and you have a hat just like that, like Jessica's wearing. So I think that's going to be it for my video. I will make more live videos, probably not today. I don't want to drive people crazy with videos all day. And I think that will be it of my video. So follow me on Instagram, and you can watch some of my videos on YouTube, and if you do, please subscribe. And this is Ren Doble and Hillary, Jessica, and Carmen signing off.